together on both sides because the kit that the EcoHawk comes with standard has a saw in it that you can unscrew with, so you're not going, well, what? How do you undo the knife if the knife is a screwdriver and all that? You're expected to be a thinking man if you buy one of my tools. So if you can't figure it out, maybe you should stay at home. Just a gentle suggestion, not meaning to insult. or just don't sweat it, just get it. The end product, I think, turned out really nice, and I really enjoy using it. And this technology with the handles is essentially to give folks a boost that were enthused about getting their EcoHawks, but they haven't really done anything with them. And it's a user tool. It's not just a gimmick. It's really light, and there's ways of making it act like a much larger tool, which we'll get into. But hopefully this is a confidence-building exercise for those of you guys that aren't really used to just working with your hands. A hand drill, a rat tail file, and some sandpaper. You can make this entire project. Quarter-inch drill bit. You don't have to get fancy and use the smaller one like I did, and you're good to go. It's all scrap wood that I use, so the price was right. Here it is from a different angle. The nice thing about the radius inside and out, which I'm definitely going to explore more on my new knives, like the little chill knife prototype that I just got in. That is essentially a knife for the Army I'm developing. It really feels good on your hands. I like the extra material, like I said, for fire starting, but with a nice hardwood you could make a mandrel for your bow drill, or add some metal to it to reinforce it. I wouldn't, but or a drip of epoxy and just maintain your knife. You're supposed to anyway. That epoxy will probably last for, especially if you put some fiberglass or something in a mandrel, probably lasts a long time. Glass. You'll see Dave Canterbury and Ron Hood and a whole bunch of other people using the bottom of beer bottles for their mandrels, and it works very well. I always volunteer to drink the beer, but they haven't taken me up on it. And that's it. We're Equinox Publishing of Coronado, also known as Equinox Coronado, and we've gotten a lot of help from our old friends who we've known for longer than I care to admit, the Hoods, who, if you or someone you love is interested in self-reliance, not just survival, end-of-the-world zombie stuff, but just getting by, thriving instead of just surviving, you should really check out survival.com and their forum, which is linked through their site. Ron and Karen Hood are old friends of mine. It's really down-to-earth sort of characters, but so intelligent in person especially. It's a real honor to be around them, and I'm glad to be counted among their friends. And check out their videos if you're not aware of, especially their knife making videos. If you're a tinkerer like I am, it'll just blow your mind if you've never really considered all the things you can do with forging. Ron's also done a series of bronze casting videos that everyone kind of says, well, that's kind of weird, why would I do that? And then they watch it and they're hooked. So thanks a lot for watching.